Multi-techno ERP software. If you're a business owner looking to streamline your operations, stick around, because this could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. Multi-techno ERP isn't just another software, it's a comprehensive toolkit designed to integrate and manage all your core business processes in one place. Imagine having a bird's-eye view of everything from HR and payroll to project management, real estate, manufacturing, and even textile management, all through a single platform. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's very much a reality with Multi-techno. Let's break it down. First, there's the HR and payroll system. This isn't just about tracking attendance or processing salaries, it's about optimizing your workforce management. From recruitment to retirement, every HR process is streamlined for maximum efficiency. Next, the project management system. Whether you're overseeing a small team or a large-scale operation, this module helps keep your projects on track and within budget, ensuring timely delivery and quality control, all while maintaining complete financial transparency. For those in the real estate game, the real estate management system is a game changer. Property administration, project organizing, and financial oversight are all covered, making it easier than ever to manage your properties effectively and profitably. Moving on to manufacturing, the manufacturing system within Multi-techno ERP ensures that production scheduling, inventory visibility, and quality control are all in sync. This module is about enhancing operational effectiveness and compliance across the board. Lastly, we have the textile management system. In an industry where production enhancement and inventory management are crucial, this system provides the tools to keep production lines efficient and responsive to market demands. What makes Multi-techno ERP stand out? It's tailored for a wide range of industries, from healthcare and agriculture to electronics and automotive. Each module is designed with specific industry challenges in mind, ensuring that whatever your field, Multi-techno can make a significant impact. And let's talk numbers because they really do tell the story here. Multi-techno has successfully completed over 100 projects and has more than 112 happy clients. That's a lot of streamlined businesses and satisfied business owners. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, explore Multi-techno ERP. Check out their website at www.multi-techno.com or give them a call at +92 323 666 0558. It might just